You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name from Spanish. So that's going to be a surname. It's also the name of a city in Mexico, in the country of Mexico. So let's learn how to pronounce it. In Spanish from Spain, it's going to be said as Juarez, with the Z pronounced like TH at the end. So that would be central Spain, Juarez. 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 Now in other parts of Spanish-speaking countries, including in Mexico, the Z is going to be pronounced like an S. So Juarez. Juarez. Okay. That's going to be how you say the name of the city, Ciudad Juarez. Juarez, the city in Mexico. Now, if you cannot pronounce the Spanish J sound, the J, you can replace it with an H and say Juarez. Juarez, or Juarez. Juarez. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.